ever wondered how they actually play the 20th Century Fox theme on drums? Because I'm going to tell you how to do it. Flam, 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 buzz, buzz, tap, flam. Allow me to explain. I personally play it. Flams that alternate, but you don't have to. So flam, flam, which is one stick up, one stick halfway up, drop them. Flam, flam. And then we play a buzz roll, which if you don't know how to get those, it's also known as a press roll because we're pressing into the drum instead of going for individual notes. Take some time with it. The knack is that what you're doing is actually playing fast-ish single strokes. In this case, 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a, and you're just pressing lightly in, letting the stick bounce. Play it fast enough, you get a buzz roll. So I'll go. Same thing, still just going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Anyway, back to the actual thing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that last, not flam flam, is right by itself because you're coming out of a buzz roll, quite tricky to get out of. Don't bother with the flam. And then I just sneak in that left hand leading flam at the end. So 1 and 2 and 3 flam. You don't have to put the flams in, but it does just sound a lot cooler. So there you have it, how to play the 20th Century Fox theme. Because of course you wanted to know. It's what you needed today. I knew. Have a good day. Mwah. Step better,